Alright, read it.
Honk if you're gay.
We're gonna see if anybody honks.
Please honk.
I'm hiding behind this V tree. Alright, this car coming. Oh, come on. Alright, there's another car. There's another car. There's another car coming. Why did they all turn? Eric, do this. Yeah, he's gay. Hey, Eric, you know UPS is racist?
Oh yeah, because it's black.
The trucks are brown and it says ups.
Ups don't want that. Big truck.
Oh, this truck. Yeah. Yeah, truck driver's gay. Gay truck driver.
So who goes my cousin? So who goes my friend's cousin? Gay.
Tyler, do you know that my cousin's uncle's nephew, his roommates, knows somebody in your family? So you know what that makes us?
What?
Nothing. Alright, there's another car coming. No, it turned. What the hell? Why do they all turn? Alright, here's one. Here's one. Yeah, another gay guy. Or was that a lady?
The lady in the car could be a cover-up.
Was that a lesbo or?
I don't know. Yes, it's gay. It's gay. It's gay. It's gay.
Should we get more?
I see a car coming. I don't know if it's coming first. Go for it.
Alright, there's one coming. There's one coming. Oh, there's not one.
Sir? Oh, he's bad. No one likes him.
Come on.
He's from New York. No one likes him.
I'm from New York.